So here I'm getting ready for my next project. Well, just a little bit of a side project. This here is my friend's sailboat, sitting basically next to mine, my good old Allberg 37. Anyhow, this is a 37.5 foot, oh no, not 37, 30, I believe 36 or 35.5 foot, I believe Ted Brewer design steel sailboat. This beast weighs about 26,000 pounds. Well, the boat sits here for about 3 years now, and my friend kind of gave up on sanding the hull by hand, so he decided he wants to ship it off and have it sandblasted somewhere. His decision. I don't think it's a wise idea, because I believe it's just pissing money away. Instead of using a little bit of elbow grease and sanding the damn thing by hand, just like I did it on mine, came out just fine. About 3-4 months with a little bit of elbow grease, I got it all done. For most part at least. But his money, his boat, he can do as he pleases. Okay, so the problem is we're gonna have to lift this boat up to put it on the trailer. We have a 40-foot gooseneck trailer that should be able to carry this boat. Well, we called around to get a crane out here to lift it on this trailer, but like everything else, the prices gotten so inflated that it's not feasible anymore to do that. When we had it initially set up here, I think we paid about 1,200 bucks, something like that, to lift it off the trailer that was used to transport the boat here and set it on the ground. Not no more. The cheapest quote we got was $2,000, and I had the funny feeling the guy wasn't really very interested in actually doing the job. It was almost like we would have to beg him. So that's what we came up with. We got those used electric poles from local electric company. Massive poles, 20 foot long. We put two of them on each side of the boat. They're about 3 to 4 feet in the ground, so they have a strong base. And then we're gonna use bottle jacks to go under the keel and start lifting up the boat. Now the poles are going to prevent the boat from falling to one side or another. Well, at least we hope it's gonna happen or not happen. Right now it's still on those stands, and once the boat is high enough, it needs to come about approximately 3 feet off the ground to clear that trailer. Then we're gonna put a couple of I-beams across to rest the boat on there and drive the trailer under. And then we're gonna set the boat on the trailer and drive it out. Well, that's at least a general idea. So we're still gonna have to mount some supporting cross members, one each side, connect the poles from front to the back, and then of course connecting them left to right. Let me see if I can walk a little bit further away here. Get a little bit better field of view with this camera. Okay. So there we go. And then once we got this boat loaded on the trailer, I'm gonna take them poles back out and do the same with my boat. I also have a trailer for this too. So, okay, that's it for now. I'm just gonna start doing another video when we actually start lifting this thing up. It could be interesting. Maybe that can help somebody else who is in the same predicament, need to have a boat lifted, no money for expensive crane services. I think this is probably the easiest solution. Get 4 of those massive poles, and they're not really that expensive. They charge us $3 a linear foot. They loaded those poles up on a trailer for us. I had to drive about 30-40 miles to get them, but it was well worth it. Each of those poles is 20 foot long. They weigh a lot. You know, my tractor had a hard time even lifting those things. But they're solid. So it came to $240 for all 4 poles. And that is really, for what they are, is little money. Anyways, just wanted to share this. Yep, here's the 2 boat projects again. That's my boat, Allberg 37. And my friend's boat, I believe Ted Brewer Designs, 35.5 foot steel sailboat. Thank you for watching.